Let's take a look at number 19, your practice test. This question is a very strange question the way that it's asked. It's following interest. It says you have $1,200 that you're going to put in a bank account, and you're going to get 8% interest each year. Normally, what we would do is we would calculate the 8%, add it all up, find that new total, take 8%, add it all up, and we have our final answer. It's the end of it. It's what we get at the very end. We don't want that. If you read the question, it just says, how much interest will you earn? They don't want a total. They want to know how much was the interest, that 8%. They want to know how much it was. But it says you're doing this for 2 years, so here's the way it works. We'll take a look at year one. You started with $1,200. 8%, move the decimal 2 places, is 0.08. So let's find the 8% first. 8 times 0, 8 times 0, 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. That makes it a 9. There are 2 numbers behind the decimal, so that means that there are 2 numbers in. The first year, with 8% interest, you earned $96. We're going to need this number later, so I'm going to circle it. That means that at the end of the first year, I now have $1,296. So that brings us to year 2. Remember, it said you're doing this for 2 years. Year 2, you don't have $1,200 in your account anymore. Year 2, you have $1,296 in your account. But you're still going to earn 8%. So we do the same thing, times 0.08. 8 times 6 is 48, carry the 4. 8 times 9, 72, with the 4 is 76, carry the 7. 8 times 2, 16, and 7 more is 13, and then we get this 9. Again, 2 numbers after the decimal, so bring it in. 2 places. I've done something wrong, I believe. 8 times 6 is 48.
Instead of
8 times 9 is 72 and 4 is 76. 23. Thank you. Okay. So 23. So we bring it in 2 places. So that means that this year we made $103.68. Now, again, go back and read the question. How much interest will you earn? It doesn't say what's the total at the end. It says how much interest, which means they want us to take the $103 that we made the second year and the $96 we made the first year and add it up so that total over 2 years, by putting our money in this account, we have made this much extra money. That's the amount of money that was made in interest. Not a total, just the interest.